Let's make one more exercise in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, we'll make this exercise, and here we'll learn how to use the sketch features, revolve, mirror, shell, create a new plane, extrude with taper angle, fillet, and chamfer. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part here, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint, and the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a line here with 164 millimeters and create another line here. This line, the distance between this point and this line here will be 105/2, okay? And we'll close the sketch here with this two line, and the angle between this line here and this one is 5 degrees, okay? And it is a vertical line here at the midpoint. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select the line, click here in the midpoint. The distance here is 164 millimeters. And make a line here with 105/2. Okay, select the line again. Make a line here and close the sketch here. Go to sketch dimension. The angle between these two lines is 5 degrees. We made this, okay. Now finish the sketch. We need to revolve this. So the profile is this sketch here and the axis is this line. The angle 360 and operation new body, press OK. We made this, okay. Now to create the other side, we'll go to create and select mirror. And the object type, select the bodies, and the object, select this body here. And the mirror plane, select this face here, operation join, and press OK. We made this, okay. Now we'll make this thickness here. We'll make a cut in this body to add this thickness here. This thickness here is 15 millimeters. So go to modify and select the shell, okay. And select this two face because we want to remove this two face here. And the inside thickness is 15 millimeters. And press OK. We made this, okay. Let me show for you. Let me flip this. Press OK. We made this, okay. Now here we'll create the other pipe here in this side. The distance between this face here and the midpoint is 110 plus 22. So it will be 132 millimeters, okay? So let's create a new plane here in this face. So go to construct and select offset plane, select the top plane. The distance here is 132 and press OK. And here we need to create a circle with 18 millimeters and another circle with 55 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch, select this new plane, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 8 millimeters and another circle with 55 millimeters, okay? We made this. Now finish the sketch. We needed to make the extrusion from this plane here to this body here, okay? So to make this extrusion, go to create here and select extrude. Select this profile, the both circles, okay? And the direction, one side, and the extended type, select two object. The object, selected this body here. And the extend, selected to adjacent face. Operation join and press OK. We made this. Let me show the analysis here. We made this, okay. Now here we need to create this cut, 8 millimeters. And the circle that we use will be this circle with 55 millimeters. So show the sketch 2 again, go to Extrude, let me hide the analysis here, and select only this inside circle here, and make a cut here with -8 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. Hide the sketch 2. Let me show the analysis. We made this cut here, okay. And now we need to create this cut. Let me erase it. We'll make this cut here, okay. This cut is not perpendicular with this face here. We have an angle here with 1 degree, and the diameter of this cut here is 48 millimeters, okay. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch here and select this face here. Select a circle and make a circle here at the midpoint with 48 millimeters of diameter, and finish the sketch. Now go to Extrude, select this circle here. We'll make a cut here with -100 millimeters. Okay. And we'll activate here the taper angle is 1 degree. But it is to the other side, the positive side. Look this, 10 millimeters, but it is the other side, so it will be -1 millimeters, okay. If it was -10, look this, -1 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. We made this, okay. Hide all the sketch here. Now we need to create this flange here. So to create this, we have the diameter of this circle here is 200 millimeters, okay. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, move this, select this face here, select this circle, make a circle here with 200 millimeters. Okay. And here let's create this construction line here and create a circle here and create another construction line here, okay. And the angle between this point and this line here, or the angle between these two lines, is 45 degrees. And the circle has 14 millimeters of diameter. So select the line, construction line, make a construction line here, and create another construction line here. Select the circle, remove the construction line type, click here, make a circle here with 14 millimeters. Okay, and the angle between these two lines here is 45 degrees. Okay, and the distance between this point and this point here, or the diameter of this circle here, okay, is 160 millimeters. So select the circle again, select the construction line type, make a circle here with 160 millimeters. Let me erase this, we make an error here. Okay, and go to select the constraints, coincident, select this point here and this circle here. We made this, okay. The quantity of circles is 6. So go to create and select circular pattern. Select this circle here, the object, and the center point, select this circle. The quantity here is 6. Press OK. We made this sketch here. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. We need to extrude this to this side here, 22 millimeters. So select this profile here and extrude this to this side, minus 22 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now we need to create in the other side the diameter of this circle, 200 millimeters. The diameter of this circle here is 160 millimeters of diameter, and the diameter of the circle 18 millimeters, and this circle here is at this point here vertical with this one. Okay, so let's create this. So go to create a sketch, select this face, select the circle, make a circle here with 200 millimeters, create another circle but with a construction line with 160 millimeters. Select the circle again, but now remove the construction line type. Click here at this point, make a circle here with 18 millimeters. Let me go to constraints and go to horizontal vertical, select this point and this one. Okay. And we needed to make a circular pattern here with 6 circles. So go to create, select the circular pattern. The object, select the circle, and the center point, select this circle here. The quantity is 6. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now finish the sketch and go to extrude. We needed to extrude this 22 millimeters. So select this profile, minus 22 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. We made this, okay. Now to finish this exercise, we need to make this square here. The dimensions here, it will be here in this face. We'll select this face to make the sketch, okay. And we'll make a square here with 150. We have 100 millimeters here, the distance between this point and this point. The distance between this point here and this line is 20 millimeters, and the same distance here, 20 millimeters, okay? And the fillet here is 20 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select this face here. Select the 2-point rectangles and select the center rectangle here. Click here at the midpoint. Make a square here with 150 and 150 here. Press OK. Now go to fillet. The fillet here is 20 millimeters of radius for all these edges here. 20 millimeters, okay. Now we needed to create the circles. These circles is concentric with this arc here, or circles with 18 millimeters, okay, through all. So select the circle, click here at this point, 18 millimeters. Make the same here. We made this, finish the sketch. And here we need to extrude this 20 millimeters, okay, the distance here. So I'll go to extrude, select this profile, extrude it to this direction, minus 22 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. So the analysis here. So we made this, okay, and to finish this exercise, we just need to make the fillets and the chamfers. So let's do this. So we have fillet. and this edge here, and this edge. The fillet here is 5 millimeters of radius. Okay, so go to modify, select the fillet, select this edge here, select this edge here, this one and this one, 5 millimeters, and press OK. Now we have a chamfer here, and this side here. The chamfer here is 2 millimeters. So go to modify, select chamfer. The type is equidistance. Select this edge here and this edge here, 2 millimeters, and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.